Hi everyone, I'll be talking today about changes to supply and demand. There's a three-step process for figuring out the way the graph is going to look like. The first one is determine which curve or curve shift. Second one, determine which way the curve or the curve shift. Show the effect and state the effect on price and quantity. So here's our example of the world market for oil. Consider BRICS. BRICS is an acronym for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These are large countries that are growing quickly, and incomes are going up, so there's an increase in the middle class. So if incomes is increasing, what is the effect for? So I want you guys to draw a supply and demand graph and show the effect on price and quantity. So you guys could pause the video right now, and I'll solve the problem right afterwards. Okay, you guys ready? So this is our supply and demand graph, which I'm going to draw. Supply and demand. So we know that income is a determinant of demand, and there's a positive variable. So since income is increasing, the demand curve will be affected, and that will shift to the right. And here is our equilibrium, our original equilibrium, Q1, P1. And now our new one, equilibrium, is P2, Q2. So the effect of this is that price increased and quantity increased as well. Okay, so this is example number 2. And for this example, we're going to consider the Arab Spring. So these are Middle Eastern countries, oil-producing countries that stopped producing due to destabilization in the Middle East. So since we have oil-producing countries that have stopped producing, what is the effect? I'll give you guys a hint. So this has to do with the number of sellers. So if the number of sellers stop producing oil, then what is the effect on price and quantity? I'll let you guys stop the video once again, and I'll answer the problem right afterwards. Okay, see you guys then. Okay, since this affects sellers, what is so the curve, the supply curve is affected. We know since number of sellers is a determinant of supply, so the supply curve shifts to the left since the number of sellers are going down. So first, let's draw again our equilibrium, Q1 and P1, and this is our supply. So supply is going to shift to the left. And this is our new equilibrium right here, P2 and Q2. So the price then increased and the quantity decreased. So since there's a decrease in the number of suppliers for oil, the price increased. And what happens is that the cost of gas also increases.